Welcome to the TMS Portal. Imagine a single, secure place where all your school needs are met with just a few clicks. That's what the TMS Portal is all about. We've created a simple and powerful tool to connect parents and school staff like never before. For parents, you can easily order and pay for your child's daily school meals, settle school fees securely online, purchase uniforms, books, and other items from the school store, manage and pay for bus services, and stay up to date with important school announcements. For school administrators, the portal is your complete command center. It simplifies your daily tasks by allowing you to effortlessly manage student and class information, update the canteen menu, and track all orders, assign school fees and monitor payments in real time, oversee all financial transactions with detailed reports, and communicate instantly with your entire parent community. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through all of these features, whether you're a parent getting started or a school administrator looking to streamline your workflow. This guide has you covered. Let's dive in. A complete guide for parents. Step 1. Creating your account. To get access to any of the portal's features, you first need a personal account. This is a crucial security step. It ensures that only you can access your child's information and make payments on their behalf. For the first time, open your browser and type This opens the TMS Portal main page. You may receive a prompt to install the TMS Portal app on your phone. Go ahead and click Install. If you install the app, you can now use it directly from your phone without typing the app's URL in a browser. On the main homepage, find and click the user icon in the top right corner. This will open the authentication window. If you have an account already, select Login, enter your email address and password, then click Login. If this is your first time, then let's create a new account. Select the Sign Up tab. You'll need to provide your full name, a valid email address, and create a secure password. Once you've signed up, you'll be automatically logged in. Great. Once the sign-up process is successful, you will be welcomed with the blue section here with your name. This blue section will also be where your child's school general notice board will be displayed. Now, if you go back and click the same user icon again, it has granted you access to your parent dashboard. The parent dashboard has a lot of features. It is your command center where you can access your child's information, view outstanding school fees, pay fees right on the app, order and pay for canteen meals for your child, pay busing, and purchase school items like uniforms, books, and any products the school makes available in their store. To manage your child's information, you have to first add your child to your account. This is the most important step. Step 2. Linking your child, the key to your portal. This next step is the key that connects your account to your child's school profile. Without linking a child, you won't be able to access any of the school's services. There are different schools registered on the app and many school children belonging to different schools. This app excels at being able to identify that child X is from school X and is a child of parent X, and therefore only parent X can see their child information like name, school name, class, academic data, school fees, and other information associated with their child. This ensures that no other parent or a random person on the internet can see your child's name, the school they attend, class, or anything about them. Now, the app will be able to perform this wonderful security duty during this step, so pay close attention. Click the user icon again to open your parent dashboard. Inside, you'll see a section titled Link a New Child. your school has provided you with a unique 6-character code for your child. Ask your child for the secret code the school gave them for you, the parent, or contact the school admin for your child's secret code. Please do not give this code to any person you don't trust. Enter this exactly as it was given to you and click Search. The system will then find your child's profile in the school's database. You will see a confirmation with your child's name, class, and school. If this is the very first time you are linking a child, the system will ask you to first link to the school. This is a one-time action that associates your parent account with the school. Click the Link School button. After your account is successfully linked to the school, the Link Child button will become active. Enter the secret code again and search. Now click Link Child. A success message will confirm the link, and you will now see your child listed under Your Linked Children. You have now unlocked all the services for your child. Note that the school admin can link your child on their end for you, and you, the parent, will not have to take this step again. You can ask the school admin, and they will link your child for you if you find any difficulty doing it by yourself. Step 4. Managing fee payments. The portal also simplifies school fee payments. In your parent dashboard, navigate to the Fees tab. Here you'll find 2 sections. Outstanding Fees lists all current bills assigned to your child, showing the total amount, any partial payments made, and the remaining balance. Payment History provides a complete record of all fees you have already paid. To make an outstanding fee, click the Make Payment button. A dialog will appear where you can choose to pay the full balance or enter a custom partial amount. After entering the amount, you will be guided through the secure Paystack checkout process. For any paid fee, you can click View Statement to see a detailed printable receipt for your records. Step 5. Using the school store and busing service. The portal also integrates other essential school services. In the Store tab, you can purchase school supplies like uniforms, books, and stationery. The process is similar to the canteen. Add items to your cart, select the child you're buying for, and proceed to checkout. If your school offers transportation, the Busing tab is where you manage it. Here, you can select your child, their designated pickup and drop-off location, and then use the calendar to select the specific days you wish to pay for bus service. The total is calculated automatically for you to pay. Step 6. Staying informed. The Notice tab in your dashboard serves as your personal notice board, showing the latest announcements directly from the school about your child and outstanding fees. Also, be sure to keep your profile updated. In the Account Actions menu, you can edit your profile to reset your password and store or change your phone number. This is essential for receiving important SMS notifications from the school. And that's it. You are now fully equipped to use the TMS portal.